Oh, makeup don went wrong. Una watch am this step by step. Una go learn many things. So this makeup, this iye makeup, this grandma makeup, this makeup done by my Nigeria student. So una dey see the step by step. I tell una say life every day we dey learn. If I see anything I know say you go fit still learn. I know say how to make up grandma is different from how to make up all this our teenage. And to make up teenage is more easier because all this teenage na very light, simple makeup na they need. So if you know say you be my follower, you sabi do anything wey you don learn from me, do the video, send am for me. If na gele you sabi tie wey you don learn from me, do the video. Don't worry, I go edit am. Okay, so this my follower, she do like almost, I have like 8 video. I go dey bring them one by one. Una know say many people dey, they don't learn something from me. They say they don't even go meet other people where they learn makeup. They just watch my videos step by step, social, they come take and learn. So this one na Naija, na she dey. You dey abroad o, you dey Naija o, you dey anywhere o. You want send me video of what you don dey learn? Send that to me. Send that to me o. So and after this, I don't watch this video. No hurry, una go learn many things for this video. And una go try, Mona tell me for the comment section how many over 10 and the area she need to improve. She say she dey wait for the comment section. I know say every one of us every day we dey learn. So more try, more write am for the comment section the area where she need to improve, the area where she need improvement. Mona write am for the comment section. We will take and encourage her. If you dey there, you don't learn anything from me, as I earlier said, I beg, if you go fit make video. So the next video where I go drop her name, because I know say no, I dey advise many people say try make you open YouTube, Instagram. So even though say you are not the type that like it, some people say their husband not like me, they do social media. Because if I mention her name now, she not the Instagram, she not the YouTube. Where una for go find her? No way. So I know if you can't tell person say you must go open social media, and the person will get her own decision. So many people just get normal Facebook account, but they don't have page. Page is the business account where you can demonstrate your business, your handwork. So if you get page, you get any business, they demonstrate them for there. If you get any handwork, be proud of your handwork. And I know why. Bible say I will bless the works of your hand. The handwork where you get, in case you never get, try to think the one where you feel they do, because many people who even go to school, university, they say they learn 1 or 2 things. At least they say they have 2 to 3 skills. As a woman, you're supposed to learn. It's very easy. Thank God for the internet. One they focus and I will tell me the area where she need improvement. She sent like I have 8 videos, because she said she go to send video for me so that man they correct her. So no, now write down for the comment section the area where she needs improvement. For me, because in her old mama she do her makeup, I don't know, because she really tried. So the next video I want to put, she make up a young person. She make up young person. So we will still see the young person video. How she take do am. No for take no the area where we for take correct am. But for this mama, oh, for me, she dey try. Oh. So I say more watch the video together. Me, I'm just watching the video now. Okay. Eyeshadow time. Okay. Oh. In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Jack Beauty. I based in United Kingdom, London. I'm into makeup. I do gele. I do traditional bridal hair. So if you want to see all my work, the work what I do, go to my IG, go to my Instagram, write Jack Beauty. You will see my work there. I do photo shoot as well. So book me for your event. We are all in one beauty. So this one on the see, so don't be me the do one. So now one of my students for Niger. So in case you want to see my own work, go to my Instagram, Jack Beauty. You see all my work there. Any work you see for my Instagram, that one on my own. Anyone you see for my Facebook, or you watch me from YouTube. Now I can set now my job, some are my job, some of them not be my own. So that is it. But my own job, everything is on Instagram. More on a focus. More on they enjoy the video. Maybe they enjoy the video. Maybe they enjoy the video. In case you be makeup artist, write down below the area where you find it difficult for makeup. You know, for like 4 years, I struggle for eyebrows. But now, I can even do my eyebrows, even closing my eyes. Yes. So, any area where you struggle for makeup tutorial, write it down. And if you get any video you know say you want forward for me, forward it to me. I will appreciate the video. This is blush. Oh, mama don't face eyelash. Wow. This one a serious matter. So if you want to highlight your nose, in case you are watching me this video, don't highlight this video. Sorry, don't highlight the nose like this. They don't highlight nose like this anymore. Just highlight in between the eyes and the mid and the starting of the nose finish. That straight line shining this thing. No, we don't do that anymore. Okay. Okay. We will see. Mama is waiting. Mama, they wait me the makeup finish, Yari. I said this makeup tutorial. Oh dear. If you wait me the makeup finish, now lie. Oh. Now step by step. Oh. Okay. Okay. I like the lipstick tutorial. Yes, I like it. I like the way she blends the lips. Wow. Wow. Beautiful mama. Wow. It's like sleep don't take mama. Mama don't wake up. Mama don't smile. Wow. Wow. This is the final. So I believe say they can't tie mama a tie, but they not video all the parts. As they tie mama gele. Wow, I hope Mona don't learn one or two things for this video. Mona try, Mona leave on a comment down below. Mona leave on a comment down below the area she need to improve. Mona write her, we are learning. So all this type of video, we go dey bring her, we go dey watch am together. This place is a learning center. That one I be mama. Thank you. See you on my next video. These are all my service. See, I mean all this work around the station. I me do them. I me do them. Go to my IG. Yes. So thank you. Bye bye for now.